Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm still in the middle of exam season, so I thought I'd bring you a video today on how to get your lace frontal clean after you've worn it and you've got all the glue on there. So you see all of that glue? Yeah, sometimes it can be hard to get off, and I feel like the method that I use is the best method to get all of the glue off without, spending hours scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing away, and without, getting rid of the frontal hairs, because that's so important. So you're going to need a soft toothbrush, a bit of shampoo and some washing detergent, and you're literally just going to put the shampoo on the toothbrush and then dip that in the washing up powder and scrub away softly, literally very softly. The brush I use is really soft, and I feel like with this method I don't lose out on any of the hair from the frontal. It doesn't come out of it. And like I said, this hair has been amazing so far. I've been wearing it non-stop, and it's the Alipearl hair. I'm going to leave all the links in the description bar below so that you could check them out. But I've been wearing the hair a lot. I've been enjoying it. The lace frontal is easy to clean. There are a few lace frontals that I have that don't wash out as easily, or the glue actually gets stuck to the holes in the frontal, but I feel like with this frontal it's a lot easier to clean and I don't have to spend years doing so. And for that, I'm super grateful. I do have a discount code that you guys can check out down below, and yeah, it's just really nice and quick and easy, especially if you're wearing your front all the time. You don't want to spend years doing this. So that's the video for this week, nice and short, so I could go write my exams. And I guess I will see you guys next week, no, the week after, because then I'll be done with uni. Oh my gosh. So I'll see you then. Bye.